brand new Bugatti, play my music when I'm driving. Like I'm Lil Weezy, tattoos all over my body. My boys from the
Hell yeah, we just drove into that snow. Today, we're gonna be testing out the Apollo Pit bike. It's had a bit of problems, but that's because we had the choke on and we weren't fucking running it right. Let's see if we can get it first try, bro. So we're gonna be testing it out here. This bike's pretty good on the altitude. What? Let's give it a try here. It's not the straightest line, but
I'ma break the law, then I'ma break the bank. I'ma put some in the safe, then I'ma throw some on the floor. Definitely make some more. 20 dates, had to go back on tour. She can see how I'm
ain't got no gas. We're gonna get some gas.
on the roof of the car. You need to fill up, you put this shit in there. Yeah, you put the gas pump. Get out of here, boy. What? 50 likes and we'll turbo the mini bike. We got the carburetor set up on it right now. Yeah!
I want to try to hit that jump right there.
Dumbass. No. Retarded. My name's Deez, and look at this. We fucked up the dirt bike. These bolts are shit. Shout out Apollo Motorcycles. We bought this dirt bike. It doesn't work. And the bolts aren't working. We are really smart guys. Turns out we need this and this.
Did you get it?
Yeah, we got it.
Get like an 05 picture from the top. Ooh. Pour it in here. Pour it in here.
Oh.
We gotta max it
That's
out.
good.
Nah, bro, we gotta max it out.
That was $15.
Max it out.